Welcome to Vieques Island. We're in the neighborhood of Bravos de Boston today. We are pretty much, let's see, down to the left, give you some orientation here. Down to the left is the lighthouse, which is very close to the Bravo Beach Hotel. And off to the right is going to be the La Lanchita Guesthouse. So we're kind of like halfway between Bravos de Boston Hotel and La Lanchita along the North Shore Road. This is actually a little road that spits up, a little dead-end road. Not a lot of folks know this is here, but it's actually very nice. It's quiet and it's elevated, so it has some great views here. Today we're at, here it is, the Sunset Palace. It's a little play on words, but I'll explain it to you as we walk through. It's a little one bedroom, one bath with amazing views. This to me, it just has a feel of a little weekend cottage, ideal for a couple, ideal for a starter home. I think 3 people living here or vacationing here would be a little tight. Vacation would be possible, but living I think is definitely going to be tight. So here's the living room. You can see all glass, louvered windows. And looking out that way is the Caribbean Ocean. When we get out on the deck, I'll show you more. There's the entrance we just came in. There is a huge air conditioning unit here. I imagine I would probably put some mini splits in there, upgrade the house a little bit. So a decent sized room. Remember, this is, being in the Caribbean, Puerto Rico, Vieques, you're not spending a lot of time indoors. You're going to want to be outside. And this is the next best thing because if you need to be inside, you've got the view. So if you're going to be dining here, breakfast, coffee, whatever, there is a little area here set up for, I guess you could fit a dining table. There's a patio out or a deck out back. Go to that in a second. Here's the kitchen. So there's room. There's a gas stove here, some counter space, double sink, a little pantry closet here. So very manageable. This just reminds me of old vacation homes where people really didn't have huge kitchens. People didn't have huge houses. When they went on vacation, it was because they wanted to enjoy the outdoors and not spend it inside. So this is actually a nice little, quaint little unit. There's a bathroom right here. Let me show you this first. Let's go. There's another way to get to that bathroom. So there's a bathroom off the kitchen, but it also connects to the bedroom. So coming off the living room here, here's the bedroom. Come in directly to the left. There's a closet here. So a decent sized closet. Remember, if this is a starter home or this is a vacation home, I think there's another closet back here as well. Plenty enough space to store some items. And then back here right now, set up as 2 twins. I imagine this could also be set up with a king or a queen. So a nice breeze coming through here. There's no air conditioner. Again, I'd want to upgrade this house to some mini splits, put one here in the bedroom and put one up in the living room. But you've got windows on all 3 sides. Currently metal louvered, Miami blinds, so it is getting a breeze coming in, fan on the ceiling. Closet there, and as I mentioned, there's the bathroom. So the bathroom is between the kitchen and the bedroom. So your toilet, your sink, and a bathtub. Voila. 1970s mellow yellow tile, sink everywhere. All right, back out to the kitchen. Now let's talk about the name for a second. A little play on words. The Sunset Palace. Obviously, this home is going to be someone's palace because if someone makes something their home, they're going to love it. They're going to make it their own palace. But really, the sunsets here are going to be spectacular. This is, where are we now? Kind of early May. We're looking out from here. I can see the lighthouse in Isabel II, the Punta Mulas lighthouse. If you come in on the ferry to Vieques, that's going to be the first thing you see. Everybody pops up in their seats, starts taking pictures of that. So we can see that directly from here. I can see the hills of Florida and Martino. I can see Mount Pirata. I can see the Rompeolas, the mile-long pier that's out on the west end of Vieques. And then out looking at the ocean, probably getting 100-degree views of the ocean, the Caribbean Sea. This is looking west, that's looking north. I don't know how this is going to show up in the camera. I'm hoping the camera's is adjusting to this light. It's very harsh right now because we're looking west, but this is where the sunsets are going to be. This is where you're going to have spectacular sunsets. I'm pointing right now directly out towards El Yunque, the world famous rainforest on mainland Puerto Rico. Over there behind the telephone pole is Isla Palomino, El Conquistador Resort, the Fajardo area, Ceiba. If I go off to the left, I can see Humacao, Naguabo on the mainland. So you're going to have sunset views here pretty much year-round. Right now, it's going to be setting over El Yunque, which is a little to the right, to the north side, and then during the winter months, December, January, it's going to be more to the left, more towards Naguabo and Humacao. So that's the name of the Sunset Palace, because this is just going to have spectacular sunset views. With the parcel right here, it's almost guaranteed to be uninterrupted. This is just a spectacular little property, great location, quiet street, great views, a great vibe to this little house that you can either make your first home, first vacation home, place to relax. Again, I think 2 people is ideal for this property, but there's room to add on to the house. There's also room in the back to put another casita or something like that. So again, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and the living room. So I hope you liked this video. Please like or hit the share button. If you got a friend or family or someone you work with that you think might like this. If you don't like it, or if you do like it, feel free to share it as well. But if it's not for you and you feel it's for somebody else, feel free to share it. And another view from outside. There it is, the Sunset Palace. www.ParaisoRealtyPR.com for more info.